Really peaceful, guys. Really peaceful. Real peaceful. Oh, go on. Alright, beautiful people of this world. Welcome back. Welcome back from you see hot. You know today is a one outdoor adventure video. Same way. Big up on yourself. Always returning to the channel. Returning subscribers, big up on yourself. All who are new to the channel, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as I upload a video, which I'm trying to do that daily. Alright, so for today's adventure, I'm like 5 minutes away from home. Almost all videos that I've posted is in like 5 minutes time zone of my house. So our videos are here in Western or Westmoreland, Western Jamaica. Right, so for today I'm at this location. Right, it's called the Abeokuta Nature Park or Waterfalls. Right, yeah man, one by one Rasta man. Rasta the nearby, Rasta up my house. Yes guys, it's a beautiful place here, right? I just go showing around. This place is available if you want to do whatever event you please. If you come and you see what you like, then you can rent the venue or something, or come to some form of agreement with the owner. Right, so first attraction here is a kiddies pool. This pool is filled by a river, and the bigger one is below, right? But this one is maybe about 2 feet or 1.5, somewhere there. Everything here is natural. See, this is a river water coming from a stream, which I won't take you guys on that venture this morning. See? Yeah, so as you can see, there's a little filtration system to stop debris and leaves from entering the pool. Crystal clear, guys. So if you want to clean it, you can just block this off right here and water stop filling this thing here. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, there's a drain bung right there. So all you have to do is remove that and all the water can empty. Yeah, it really needs a little paint, but that's fine. Nice, clean, and natural. No additives, no preservatives. Yeah man, people. That is it. Carrying it down on the bigger pool, you know. I'll show you what I go on. Actually here, so there was a restaurant and bar, but business kind of slow, so I think this place is temporary closed. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out from him. Nice place, guys. And you have a lot of parking space as well. A lot of people use this this venue for pool parties and such. Yeah man, people doing it right now, I enjoy themselves. Right now, there's also a kitchen around this area, so if you want to come cook, which one of these days we have to go do that, because yes, I want to address the matter while it's also hot. Over 1,000 subscribers. Big up on yourself, Panda. That was quite a milestone. I am glad. I have achieved that milestone, but it's not the pinnacle of where I wanted to reach, right? So I'm still giving thanks, although there is room for improvement and room for growth. So big up all the subscribers so far. Yeah, man. And big up all who new to the channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Interact with the video, guys. So, see boss fireside, yeah? Yeah, man, we'll heap of cooking going on, so man. But we're not in that today. I wanted to do something for reaching the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, which the channel has flew past that because I've been sharing the page and I've been interacting with a lot of other YouTubers as well. So all who have been giving me strength, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, there's a lot of fruit trees here also, guys. So we have cherry tree, apple trees, a lot of fruit trees are here. Mango, whole heap of fruit tree there. People actually down on the bigger pool right now, enjoying themselves, but we're heading there. Show you guys what's going on. Yeah, man, whole heap of event can be posted on this premises. You guys just have to reach out, yeah, man, and make plans. Yeah, man, so we have a good mango tree here. Whole heap of young ones. Yeah, man, whole heap of young ones. So I go on. Yeah, people. Same system like the smaller pool that I show you above. Same kind of system, guys. I actually want to show you guys some more, but there are some folks here that are really being skeptic about them being on video, so I'll continue this video if I'm here when they leave, so stay tuned. Nice scenery, guys. Nice beautiful scenery. I actually wanted to continue this video, but it's getting a bit overcast, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I'll just post this video as part 1 for this location. I guess I'll have to come back here and finish up because there are still people here and they want to keep their location or whatever a bit confidential, so I don't want to invade anyone's privacy. Europe, who can swing, let them swing. Alright, so as I was stating earlier, this falls is a natural fall, so no soap can be used in the fall. If you want to take a shower, this is where you have to take it. Nice crystal clear water, guys. Okay. I think the site, I'm not sure if this video will be able, or this phone will be able to video all the way to the bottom of this. And this is not waterproof, although they say it's IP68 rated. I'm not willing to find out, so I guess tomorrow I'll have to come back, or some other time. I'll give you guys a quick update on this. But anyways, yeah, thanks again to all the subscribers that helped me to reach the milestone of 100, sorry, not 100, 1,000 subscribers. that's the pinnacle for the moment, 100,000 subscribers. But I'm nowhere there as yet, but I have started the journey. I think I'm about 3K for now. Yeah man, about 3K for now, but that's fine. Rome wasn't built in one day, you know. Yes peeps. So big up on yourself. All who new to the channel, please subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, you know the works. So let's get this channel up. Guys, this place is beautiful. Believe me. Really beautiful. Again, let me go show you guys the name of the falls. It's Abeokuta Nature Park. And the contact number and everything is listed here. So the rain has started. Let's see if I can do this real quick and get out of here. Right, this is it. Alright people, so see you guys again in another video. And yeah, stay safe, stay good. See you. Let me see if I can give you guys a bit of the scenery while I leave here, because I can tell you guys, nature is at its finest getting and leaving this place. Believe me, it's quite a hike to get here as well. So yeah, he's coming to open the gate. This is a real nice location, people. Oh, see me coming too. Yeah, Rasta, place still nice, man. Place still nice. See, boss, yeah. I'm a run off the place, you know. See number there. Done shown already. Feel free to contact him. Any form of event, anything you want to do, just reach out to him, man. See, big up on yourself. Alright people, well, a call came in and I had to stop the video, but I'm not too far from the gate. As you can see right behind me, I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but right there is the gate. Yeah man, so people, you can check in for the location. If you know please, if you know even go a location and you know want some food, you don't know how to get in contact with me. There's so many things and so many ways, so many different platforms to find out your TV, and a contact number will be listed. So when you can reach out and plan a little thing if you don't want, you understand? Yeah. And there's actually a falls outside of the premises, but it's on a different side of the road, and I don't want to go that side, so I won't be showing that today. I'll leave that for a later date. So all that water that flows from the property, it flows to a different falls which is close by, less than a minute. Alright, yeah man, so that is it for this one, guys. Yeah, I'll be planning a little form of celebration for being over 1,000K. I wanted to do it today, but majority of my friends and people that I know are at work or something, and it doesn't make any sense cooking or anything or trying to do a celebration by yourself. There's no fun in that, right? So yeah, that is that. big up on yourself. I'm not sure if you guys can see the falls. It's actually right there. Let's see if you guys can see what's going on. Some of the water actually around coming or something. Yeah. Back in the days there used to be a factory right over there that they make ice and sell it in the local community, but you know, really do that anymore. And it will get closed down, and then people start scrapping the place, and what heap of thing happen. Yeah man, but it's all nature around, guys. People are raise livestock, you name it. There are so many things about nature that's happening in this place. So yeah, big up on yourself again. And this is the final goodbye for today. Big up on yourself. Oh.